afternoon everyone. Today in this lecture I am demonstrating that how we could read content between HTML tags. For this I have just used an XML namespace in which we have some objects like XML document and XML node. I have used an XPath expression for navigating through an HTML document. Now this is my simple HTML document. You can check its view, and I am just going for reading this content in between body tag. So for this I have just done a simple thing. I have just loaded this HTML page in my XML document. As XML document is also an simply tag based document that and if a tag starts it ends, so same case applies to our HTML document too. So I can navigate in between tags with XPath expression. So let I demonstrate you this. In this in page load I have made a function. I have just called some few lines that first load this HTML document in an XML document object, then select a node, and for selecting the node I have just specified an XPath expression, and then I have just obtained its inner XML content, and its inner XML content is normal tags. Now one thing you all I will demonstrate you one more thing in this. Like I want to get data between paragraph tag or in table tag. So for this I can use body and table tag, and if I refresh my page, I have to reload it. I think the server has reloaded it. Now I am getting the content between table tags. It is very simple. You can do this with XPath expression, but one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to be aware of case sensitivity. Like if I am using table tag with small with table name with a small lowercase, then I cannot go for table tag name with uppercase name or mix casing of my tags. So you have to take care of case sensitivity, otherwise you can read the content between HTML with this. And you can check this, even if you write anything in between this, you can get still the same output. Thank you.